Hello students, today we are going to discuss another part of Heron's formula. In that part, we should discuss regarding the area of quadrilateral by using Heron's formula. When we are considering regarding the quadrilateral, so first of all, we have to know what's the mean of quadrilateral. So again, when we are going to talk about the quadrilateral, the simply mean of that closed figure with four sides. I repeat, a quadrilateral is a closed figure with four sides. हम जब quadrilateral की बात करते हैं तो in that quadrilateral we have so many members in its family: parallelogram, rectangle, square, trapezium, kite, rhombus. These are isosceles, trapezium. These are the different kind of members in quadrilateral. So thing is that we are going to discuss about the quadrilateral's area, but by using Heron's formula. So in that situation, we just go different kind of cases, and that cases we are going to discuss. So first case, when area of quadrilateral we have to calculate. Now, the first case of getting the area of quadrilateral when four sides and a diagonal is given. In that means आपके पास area of quadrilateral आपको calculate करना पड़ेगा and four sides and one diagonals are given. One diagonal is given. Now, example is find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB 7 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CD 12 centimeter, DA 15 centimeter and AC 9 centimeter. So before starting to calculate the area of quadrilateral, first of all we have to draw the figure, the rough figure of a quadrilateral. In that, how can we draw? AB is a 7 centimeter. That is the AB is 7 centimeter. AB 7, BC 6. That is a 7 centimeter. It is a 6 centimeter. Now CD 12. CD 12 centimeter and DA 15 centimeter and again AC 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Now we have to construct a rough sketch of given information of a quadrilateral ABCD. In that ABCD, we can clearly observe that this quadrilateral can be divided into two different triangles. That means triangle ABC and triangle AC and D. So if you want to calculate the area of quadrilateral, we have to divide this quadrilateral into two different triangles and using the Heron's formula, we should calculate the area of both triangles separately. After that, adding those both areas, you will get the area of quadrilateral. So now, how should we start? First of all, area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to area of ABC plus area of ACD. So first of all, we have to get the area of ABC. Now, first, area of ABC. Now, when we are going to find the area of ABC using Heron's formula, our semi-parallelogram will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. In that situation, we should go for only ABC. ABC, that means it is a 7, 6 and that is a 9. So 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter divided by 2. In that situation, what should we get? 7 plus 6, 13 plus 9, 22. So S equals to 22 divided by 2, that means 11 centimeter. Now, after getting the S, we should go for the area. Now, using the formula S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So what will be S? S we have got 11, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 6 and 11 minus 9, and that will be centimeter square because unit of area will be square. Now, what we did after getting this one, we can write 11 into 11 minus 7 will be 4, 11 minus 6 will be 5, and 11 minus 9 will be 2 centimeter square. After that, we just calculate the factor of this one. So that is a 11 will be 11, 4 we can consider 2 into 2, 5 into 2. So what should be the answer? We just obtained the one pair of 2. So 2 will be moved outside of the square root, and then 11 into 5 into 10. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 11, 110 centimeter square. That will be the area of first part of a triangle ABC. Now, after the getting of area ABC, we should move to get the area of triangle AC and D. Now, again, area of triangle AC and D. Again, we have to follow the same calculation which we have done previously, but the things differ that when we are going to concern about the area of triangle ABC, in that situation we should take the measurement of this respective triangle. So in that situation, the measurement of ACD must be 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 9 centimeters. So first of all, when we are going to calculate S, so it will be 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Divide by 2. Now 9 plus 12, 21 plus 15, that will be 36. Divide by 2, that is 18 centimeter. So S must be 18 centimeter. Now area, we should go the standard formula. S is 18, 18 minus 9, 18 minus 12 and 18 minus 15 centimeter square. Again I am repeating, you are going to calculate the area, or whenever you have to calculate the area, doesn't matter whichever the figure is that given, triangle, quadrilateral, whatever, area's unit must be square. It may be centimeter square, kilometer square, meter square and whatever. Now 18 into 18 minus 9, that means it will be 9. 18 minus 12, it will be 6. 18 minus 15, that will be 3 centimeter square. So now what should I do? I'll just take a factor of those things. So 18 factor 3 into 3 into 2. 9 factor 3 into 3. 6 factor 3 into 2. And 3 will be as it is. Now we should find pair. That means 3 pair, 1, 2 times, should take outside it. Again 2 times. And 2 is also 2 times, so we should write in a single time. Centimeter square. So 3 3 are 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 2, 54 centimeter square. So now what we did, we just separate a quadrilateral into different triangles, because the four sides of quadrilateral and one diagonal is given, and after calculating both the areas of triangle in a separately, now we should make the addition to calculate the area of quadrilateral. Now area of quadrilateral, 2 into root 110 plus 54 centimeter square. That will be area of quadrilateral. Or if you want to go further, if you want to solve further, what you do, you just calculate the square root of 110 that you can use for the long division method, which you have discussed in the previous section, previous classes also you have discussed. So what you do, you just solve that one square root of 110 multiplied 2, and after adding to 54, that will be the area of quadrilateral. That is the first part of how to calculate the area of quadrilateral when four sides and one diagonal is given. Now, the second case of getting the area of quadrilateral is when four sides and one right angle on 90 degrees is given. So in that situation, again I have written an example. exam in that example it clearly mentioned that we have to calculate the area of quadrilateral in which AB equals to 9 meter, BC 40 meter, CD 28 meter, DA 15 meter, and angle ABC is a 90 degree. So what I told you, four sides and one right angle is given. Now first of all, as I told you previously, we have to draw a rough diagram. सबसे पहले हमें rough diagram draw करना है, and the thing is that AB, that is the AB 9 meter. Now एंगल B पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल है, so we know it very well कि एंगल B स्ट्रेट होगा, और that is BC, that is a right angle degree, that is BC 40 meter. Now CD is 28, CD is 28 meter, and DA is 15 meter, that is a 15 meter, and angle ABC is a right angle. Now in that situation what should we do? हमें इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल को अगेन टू पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है और वन डायगोनल हमें ड्रॉ करना है, बट दैट डायगोनल मस्ट बी अपोजिट ऑफ द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो दैट इज द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल इज बी, इसके अपोजिट डायगोनल होगा AC. So first of all we have to join AC. Is that clear? That will be our first part. First we have to calculate. First we have to draw the diagram. After that we have to construct AC and join the AC because it is the opposite side of right angle. Now, before start the calculation, we should go for the triangle ABC. What you think and what is the new thing in triangle ABC? Don't you think in right angle that ABC is a right angle triangle? Or right angle triangle में we can calculate hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. So first of all, what should we do when we are going to solve? We just write in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. So using Pythagoras theorem we can say that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square we should calculate. AB 9 meter square, that is 40 meter square. Now what should we do? AC square equals to 81 meter square, that is 1600 meter square, that will be 1681 meter square. And when we are going to calculate AC, that will be under root 1861 meter square, or that will be 41 meter. Is that clear? So whenever one triangle must be right angle triangle, in that situation using Pythagoras theorem we have to calculate the hypotenuse, or you can say the diagonal of that given quadrilateral. So now the sides of measurement of the quadrilateral we have got 41 meter. It is also a 41 meter. Now look at the quadrilateral. क्या लगता है आपको देखकर? डोंट यू थिंक कि ये क्वेश्चन सेम प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन हो गया जिसमें आपके पास फोर साइड्स और वन डायगोनल गिवन था? एम आई राइट? वहां आपने कैसे कैलकुलेट किया था? इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल को यू जस्ट डिवाइड इनटू टू डिफरेंट ट्रायंगल, और दोनों डिफरेंट ट्रायंगल्स में आपने हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला का यूज किया था, एंड आफ्टर द गेटिंग द आंसर ऑफ these ट्रायंगल्स यू जस्ट मेक द एडिशन. आपने उन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को एरिया को ऐड किया था. सो सेम सिचुएशन, सेम कैलकुलेशन, सेम प्रोसेस, यू कैन गो फॉर दैट वन. बट यहाँ आपके पास ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है, तो यहाँ मुझे एक लिबर्टी ये मिल जाती है कि मैं हीरोन्स फॉर्मूले के अलावा जो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का बेसिक फॉर्मूला होता है हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू एल्टीट्यूड और हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, दैट आई कैन ऑल्सो यूज. मैं वो भी यूज कर सकता हूँ. सो नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, चॉइस ऑन यू. आपके पास चॉइस है कि आप यहां से हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला का यूज करते हो या आप राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट करते हो. बट थिंग इज दैट हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट इट रिड्यूस द कैलकुलेशन. आई शुड प्रेफर दैट वन, तो मैं वही करूंगा. आप चाहो तो हीरोन्स फॉर्मूले का यूज कर सकते हो. नाउ एरिया of quadrilateral ABCD equals to area of triangle, or you can say area of ABC plus area of ACD. Now, area of ABC half into base into height. So half base is AB and height is BC. So half into 9 into 40 meter square, that will be 20. You can go 180 meter square. Am I right? Now the half part has been solved. So now area of ACD. So using the Heron's formula we should find the area of ACD. Again ACD के लिए हमारे पास sides है 41, 28 and 15 meter. So we should calculate as 41 plus 28 plus 15 meter, or when we should divide by 2, that is meter. Now I should make the addition. 5, 8, 13 or 14, carry 1, 5, 7 or 8, divide by 2, 42 meter. Am I right? Now area 42 into 42 minus 41, 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 15 meter square. Again area 42 into 42 minus 41 equals to 1, 28 क्या आएगा आपके पास 12 and 2 14, 15, 12 minus 5 7, 3 minus 1 2, 27 meter square. Now what should we do? We should calculate the factor of 42. 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6, 7 is 42, 14 का 2 into 7, 27, 3 into 3 into 3 meter square. Again 1, 2, 2 times है, we should take it outside of the square root. One time we should write 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2 times बाहर आएगा. Now 7 और 7 2 times है तो 7 meter square. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 into 7. So 18 into 7, 126. So that will be 126 meter square. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to first area, that is 180 plus 126 meter square. 606, 2 carry 1, 306 meter square. That will be the given answer. That will be the area of given quadrilateral in which 4 sides and 1 right angle is given. Now students, we are going to discuss the third case of getting the area of quadrilateral. Actually this kind of quadrilateral is also known as a trapezium because the pair of opposite sides must be parallel. So this kind of questions are very important for the examination point of view because these are the major part. You can say these are having a specific process to solve this kind of question. So first of all, I'll just read the question and after that we'll discuss how to solve that one. A field is in the shape of trapezium. एक field है जो trapezium के shape का है and the parallel sides of those trapezium of that trapezium is 25 meter and 10 meter. That means parallel sides तो 25 and 10 है और non-parallel sides are 13 meter and 14 meter. So first of all, we have to draw a rough diagram as usual we are doing previously also. So first of all, we have to draw a rough diagram of trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to CD is clearly mentioned because that is a trapezium. And the non-parallel sides, these sides are non-parallel. First one is a 13 and the second one is a 14. So that is the basic intro of that question. Now जब हम सॉल्यूशन की बात करते हैं, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ये है कि हमें कुछ समथिंग डिफरेंट करना पड़ेगा इस क्वेश्चन में. नाउ द थिंग इज दैट हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. व्हेनेवर just listen me, my words properly. Whenever we are going to calculate the area of trapezium, and the thing is that we have to use the formula of Heron's, so we should use the property of parallelogram. You know it, the opposite side of parallelogram must be parallel and equal also. So in that situation we have to draw a parallelogram in that given trapezium. हमें इस trapezium में एक parallelogram draw करना पड़ेगा. Now the thing is that how can it possible कि एक trapezium में हम parallelogram draw करें? So अब ये मैजिक कैसे होगा? Let's see. हमें ये पता है कि पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल और पैरेलल दोनों होते हैं, तो मैंने इस 13 मीटर के अपोजिट साइड ये 13 मीटर ड्रॉ कर दिया, एंड ए बी सी डी दैट इज नोन एज E. सो इफ दैट इज अ 13 मीटर, सो दिस इज आल्सो 13 मीटर. एम आई राइट? अब आप में से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का कंसेप्ट हो सकता है कि व्हाई शुड आई ड्रॉ दैट वन, हमने यहीं क्यों ड्रॉ किया? हम यहां भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं इस 14 के अपोजिट साइड 14. Exactly we can do, and in that situation we will get the same answer. So need not to take any kind of panic and all. आप चाहो तो यहाँ 14 के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दो और ये पैरेललोग्राम बनेगा, अदरवाइज 13 की करो. मैंने 13 का किया है. सुना, अब ये डायग्राम अगर हम देखें तो ये एक पार्ट पैरेललोग्राम हो गया और ये एक ट्रायंगल हो गया. Am I right? Now parallelogram की opposite sides क्या होती है? Obviously equal. So if this is 13 and this is also 13, तो ये tan है तो ये भी क्या होगा? tan meter क्या होगा? tan meter. Now so when AB is totally 25 meter as the given information is there, तो उसमें से tan चला गया तो that will be 15 meter. So if there is a tan, और ये tan क्यों है? Because the opposite side must be equal of in a parallelogram. So ये tan है तो ये भी tan होगा. अब ये total 25 है तो should be 15 centimeter. Am I right? Now we should go for the solution. In solution, first of all, CD parallel AB. So CD equals to AE 10 meter and BE equals to 25 minus 10 15 meter. So first of all area of triangle BCE, हमें किसका एरिया निकालना होगा? BCE. Don't you think it is a triangle in which all the three sides are given? इस triangle की तीनों sides given है. Using Heron's formula, तो S equals to A plus B plus C. So in that situation A आपके पास है 13, 14, 15 divided by 2. So 13 plus 14, 27, 52. Sorry, 42 divided by 2, 21 meter. Now area or delta you can also say. See the I'm using the formula, Heron's formula directly. 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14 and 21 minus 15 meter square. What we get in that situation? We just get 21 as it is. 21 minus 13, that will be 8. 21 minus 14, 7, and that will be 6. Now what should we do? We should calculate the factor of these one. 21 we can write 3 into 7, 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 7 as it is, and again 6, 2 into 3 meter square. Now we just take a pair of that one, 3 2 times, so we can write 1 time here. 7 also 2 times, so we can write 1 time. 2 is 1 2 3 4 times, so we can write 2 times. 21 42 84 meter square. Is that clear? Now first of all we have to calculate the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. In that situation we should calculate area of triangle, that will be 84 meter square. Now after getting the area of triangle BCE, we should follow a specific method that is very important. Now thing is that if you have calculated the area of triangle, now using the area of triangle we should calculate the height, because thing is that whenever we go for the area of trapezium, जब हमें area of trapezium कैलकुलेट करना होता है तो वो area of trapezium होगा half sum of parallel sides into height. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं, whenever we are going to calculate the area of trapezium, then the area of trapezium must be half sum of parallel sides. So sum of parallel sides, that means two parallel sides are AB and CD is given. So 25 plus 10 we can calculate. But thing is that height is not given, because on the first day I told you regarding the height must be perpendicular. So here is no one perpendicular measurement is given. So अब हमारा टारगेट होगा इस एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का यूज करके हमें हाइट कैलकुलेट करनी है. गॉट इट. हमें हाइट क्यों कैलकुलेट करनी है? क्यों? क्योंकि हाइट जो हमारे पास आएगी उसका हम यूज एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम कैलकुलेट करने में करेंगे. ये यहाँ पर एक नई चीज है जो हमेशा ध्यान रखनी है. तो नाउ थिंग इज दैट कि अब अगर हमें एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम यूज करना है, सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम में हाइट कंसर्न होता है, इसलिए हम हाइट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. और उसके लिए मैं अगेन इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया का यूज करूंगा. ये सबसे क्रूशियल पार्ट है इस क्वेश्चन का. सो नाउ अगेन टू गेट हाइट, सबसे पहले होगा एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BCE इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. सो एरिया हमारे पास है 84 मीटर स्क्वायर. हाफ बेस जो है इस ट्रायंगल में 15 मीटर है, दैट विल बी 15, और हाइट विल बी h. आई एम जस्ट कंसीडरिंग h, कोई भी है, हाइट है वो. नाउ h हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. सो 84 इंटू ये डिवाइड है, सो इट मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म डिवाइड बाय 15 meter, that will be height. So how can we calculate? 3 5 ja 15 and now 3 2 ja 6 or 3 8 ja 24, so that will be 56 upon 5 meter, that will be height. Is that clear? जैसे ही हमें height मिल जाती है, now area of trapezium equals to half sum of parallel sides into height. Now sum of parallel sides, that is 15 plus 25, and height is 56 upon 5 meter square. So half 15 plus 25, not sorry 15 25 plus 10, again I'm telling this is the 10 and 25, these are two sides. So 10 plus 25 35 into 56 upon 5, 5 से ये कट 7 times, ये 28 times. Now 7 8 जा 56, 196, 7 8 जा 196 meter square. So the answer will be 196 meter square. Now we are the just end of this cases. In this cases you have to calculate the area of parallelogram in which two sides and a diagonal is given. Just for example, find the area of parallelogram PQRS. PQ 26 centimeter, QR 28. So first of all we have to consider the rough diagram of parallelogram, that is P, Q, R and S. PQ is 26 meter, QR 28 meter, and PR, that is 30 meter. Now before going to start the area of parallelogram, we have to much aware regarding the property of parallelogram, and that is opposite side must be equal and parallel. So if you want to calculate the area of parallelogram, हमें ध्यान रखना होगा if PQ is 26, so SR is also 26. When we are going to solve in parallelogram PQRS, PQ equals to SR, that will be 26 meter, and QR equals to SP equals to 28 meter. So if It is also 26 meter and that is 28 meter. Now area of PQRS equals to area of PQR plus area of PRS. और if you go through that PQR and PRS, आपको नहीं लगता इनकी measurement 26, 28, 30, 26, 28, 30 both triangle having the same measurement, so we can say that 2 into area of PQR, because हमारे पास जो एरिया ट्रायंगल PQ जो एरिया PQR का आएगा वही एरिया PRS का आएगा, क्योंकि मेजरमेंट सेम है 26, 28, 30, 26, 28, 30. सो व्हाट शुड वी डू? हम दो बार एरिया कैलकुलेट नहीं करके सिंगल टाइम एरिया कैलकुलेट करके वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 2, सो वी कैन गेट द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. नाउ टू गेट एरिया PQR, तो सबसे पहले हम S निकालेंगे. 26, 28 and 30 divide by 2. 6 and 14 carry 1, 3 to 5, 5, 3, 8 divide by 2, 42 meter. Now delta or area you can say 42 into 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30 meter square. Now 42 will be as it is. 42 minus 26, that will be 16. 42 minus 28, that will be 14, and that will be 12 centimeter meter square. Now we should calculate factor of those things. So 42, 2 into 3 into 7, 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 14, again 2 into 7 and 12, 2 into 2 into 3, that will be meter square. Now we should calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 times we are getting 2, so we should write it 4 times. Now 3, we should get it 2 times, so we write it here 1. 7 also getting 2 times, so we should write it once. That will be meter square. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 into 3, 48, and 48 into 7, 33, 336 meter square. Now, so area of parallelogram equals to 2 into 336 meter square, that will be 672 meter square. That will be the required area of parallelogram PQRS.